Ever felt nauseous and wondered what's happening inside your body? Well, nausea is a complex protective mechanism your body uses to keep you out of harm's way. It's like your body's own security system, alerting you when something's not quite right. The brain, stomach, and other organs work in unison to produce this unpleasant sensation. Your brain, specifically an area known as the vomiting center, plays a pivotal role. When it receives signals from various parts of your body indicating a potential threat, it triggers the feeling of nausea. These triggers can be anything from motion sickness, which is a result of mixed signals sent to the brain, to pregnancy, where hormonal changes are the culprits. Certain smells or even food poisoning can also set off this alarm bell. So feeling nauseous isn't about a lack of nutrients, rather an alarm bell from your body to avoid potential harm. Now that we know why we feel nauseous, how can we soothe this unsettling feeling? Enter the realm of home remedies, simple yet effective ways to combat nausea. Let's start with ginger. It's not just a tasty addition to your meals, but a potent anti-nausea agent. The secret lies in its compounds, gingerols and shogols. They work their magic by influencing the nervous system, stomach, and intestines, thus helping control nausea. Then we have peppermint, a natural remedy with a refreshing aroma. Peppermint relaxes the stomach muscles and improves the flow of bile, which the body uses to digest fats. This process can alleviate nausea, especially if it's related to digestion. Next on our list is chamomile tea, a soothing beverage known for its calming effects. Chamomile promotes relaxation, reduces stress, and can alleviate an upset stomach, making it a reliable ally in your battle against nausea. Finally, try consuming bananas, rice, or applesauce when feeling nauseous. These bland foods are easy on the stomach and can help reduce the symptoms. They offer a gentle way to reintroduce nutrients to your system without overstimulating it. Understanding the science behind these remedies can empower you to make effective decisions when nausea strikes. Nausea can be distressing, but with the right knowledge and remedies, you can find relief. It's important to listen to your body's signals and respond accordingly. Remember, these home remedies are handy, but they don't replace professional medical advice. So, when in doubt, don't hesitate to consult a healthcare professional. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and comment. And for more health tips and remedies, make sure to subscribe to Remedy Seeker. Stay healthy, everyone.